So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Coinbase stock, ticker symbol COIN or coin on Moomoo. So you open up Moomoo, go to the top right here and press on the magnifying glass. At the top, I want you to type in ticker symbol COIN or coin. As you can tell, this is Coinbase. Press on the top option right here. Then go to the bottom left, press on the button that says trade, and then press on buy. Once you're here, make sure that buy is selected, so it should be green. You can change your session type if you wish. You can change the order type if you wish as well. And if all looks good, you can type in the quantity. So if you wanted 1 share or 5 shares or whatever, press on done. Then press on the green buy button at the bottom and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Coinbase stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.